I'm going to go over a few stocks that a viewer named Marat pointed out to me over the weekend. He thinks that these stocks have some upside potential, and I thought it would be fun to break down the charts and the numbers for you. Hi everyone, it's Dow on the Dow. The first stock is JP Chase. We ended the day at $153.38. Now, when Marat pointed this out, it was $149.82. There was a gap that was created to the upside, and then we hit resistance, started to go sideways, fell down, broke through resistance, and then made our way up. And on this level, this is considered resistance as well. Didn't quite get there, started falling down, and now we are sideways, but obviously up from where we were at 149.82. Now, to the north side from where we are takes us to 2 standard deviations on the 5-minute time frame, and that is 154.42, 155.44, and 156.38. Now, to the south side, -2 standard deviations and also a gap play, which begins at roughly 150.41. That gap closes out at roughly 149.82. -3 standard deviations is roughly 149.38. And at -4 standard deviations, roughly 148.34. Those are your levels for Tuesday. And the 1-year price target on TradingView is 168.38, which represents a 9.78% return on your money. If we should get there, obviously we may never get there, or it could take a very long time to do so, but the potential is there according to the analysts. The RSI is at 56, pointing down. We're not oversold and we are not overbought, but we have plenty of room to go to the upside from where we are. Now, the next one is CrowdStrike. We ended the day at $152.73, up 2.23%. When Marat pointed this out over the weekend, it was 149.40. Today it shot up, busted through resistance, couldn't quite make it to this level of resistance and fell down, went back up, and then fell down through support, and then found some buyers here and then rode it up. And now we are at 152.73, but still up from where we were over the weekend and on Friday. The potential here, let me go over the 5-minute numbers, the 5-minute time frame and the numbers for you. To the upside, 157.52, 159.24, and your target for tomorrow, 160.91. Now, it's difficult to get into this zone and this zone. I anticipate to play in this zone, and anytime we go out of it, that is considered an outlier and a sell signal for me to take your profits and run. Now, to the south side, down here, 150.92, 149.28, and 147.56. If we get down here, and even this level, I consider that a buying opportunity if you think the stock is going to go up. Now, the RSI is at 30, almost oversold. I anticipate a bounce over here. The 1-year price target, did I mark that out? I've looked at the stock many times in the past. Let me see what it looks like on the monthly time frame. The 1-year price target is right here. I know it's a hot mess. There we go. From here to here, I think we could get there. And on TradingView, the analysts think so as well. The price target 175.73, which represents a 15% increase from where we are. Obviously, if the stock goes down, your spread is even better. Your return would be better. The next one is Marvell Technology in the semiconductor space. So we are very close to the 1-year price target. This would be fun to actually just day trade or possibly swing trade since we're so close. All right, let me show you what we look like on the 5-minute time frame. And your price target for Tuesday. All right, we are at the middle of the trend. To the upside from where we are takes us to 2 standard deviations, and that is roughly 66.23. At 3 standard deviations, roughly 67.05 and 67.86. To the south side, negative 2 standard deviations is roughly 62.97, 62.15, and 61.36. The RSI is at 61. The next one is RIVN. I've talked about this multiple times in the past. We've already passed our TradingView price target and it's been adjusted. I'll show you that in just a moment. But to the upside from where we are at the middle of the trend. To the north side takes us to roughly 25.05 on Tuesday. Above that, 25.61 and 26.14. To the south side at negative 2 standard deviations is roughly 22.89, 22.34, and 21.80. The 1-year price target is now 24.20, 0.88% increase from where we are. So 24.20 would be right about there. Could we get there? I think the potential is very great. The RSI is at 60. And that is a look at JPM, CrowdStrike, MRVL, and RIVN. If there is a stock that you would like me to go over, please let me know. And one of these days, I'll check out the numbers on the monthly time frame for stocks that I feel have a lot of upside potential in the big picture if you are investing. All right. Thank you so much for watching.